go to google.com/images, then search for whatever you're looking for. Then if you're doing it for commercial use, you're going to want to go to Tools, Usage Rights, and then depending on what you're doing, labeled for reuse, labeled for reuse with modification, or these. Usually you'll make a modification, but let's just choose labeled for reuse. So you could use any of these photos and you would never get in trouble for copyright or anything. Then you just click on it. Right click, save image as, and save it wherever you'd like.